Happy New Year. 2019 was indeed a great year, but you see, I don't know who needs to hear this, but in 2020, these things must stop. All this nonsense must stop.
What is it?
Please do this job for me. I will pay you with exposure.
Oh my God.
Big man, make I send my account number. Block. When are you visiting me? Sister, are you a museum?
Child.
Block. In massive added to you. K, friendship me, LOXXX, smiles. Oh my God, what is smiles?
I don't know.
Block.
Hey.
Hello, I'm outside. Come and pay for my taxi.
What?
You say?
If you pay for it, will you die? Block. A queen I stand, a king I stand. Bele Stanley, stop that nonsense.
Continue.
Giving out wrong number when a guy asks for your number. Sister, why now?
Go and sit down.
Now wow, you just forget person like that. Excuse me, did you now die? No.
Jesus.
Oh my God, what a lovely shoe. Someone should buy for me now. It's raining outside. Someone should please serve for me now. Sisters, stop this corporate alamajiri. Drinking bottled water with straw. Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
Using people's perfume like fire extinguisher. Where is your conscience?
I don't know.
Send this message to 5 people or thunder will strike you. Are you alright? Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
2, 3, 4, 5, 10 of you using the same wig, the same bag, the same dress. Sisters, is Slay marrying by force?
This day we end today.
You are just like a brother to me. After all he has done for you, let's be guided.
No problem.
Borrowing money without intentions of paying back. Do you want to be unfortunate?
Don't angry me.
Oh my God, I need pampering. I need to be spoiled by little fried rice. Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
Scope out to mana. Ojen Kawa. Bomb black cat. What did you hear about Edo get? Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
Sucking belly to take pictures. Sister, don't kill yourself. Flaunt your GP tank.
Back down.
No.
Taking pictures at very expensive places. But you crop out your benefactor.
What?
Sister, why now?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Selling wedding ashwabi as get rich quick scheme. Stop that nonsense. Sending me promo messages to come and buy pizza every time. You know yourself. Stop that nonsense.
Continue.
Adding me to group chats without my consent. Blocked. Looking for boyfriend as poverty alleviation scheme. Stop that nonsense.
Okay.
Planning some.
Why?
He's my bestie. But bestie is eating your work.
Jesus is Lord.
Stop that nonsense.
Okay.
When are you getting married? Can you mind your business?
Don't angry me.
Doing giveaway and winning the giveaway yourself.
Forget.
Block. Digging and digging your nose and cleaning it under the chair when nobody is looking.
This one is one of us.
You need deliverance. Oh, and by the way, I don't know who needs to hear this, but those of you that like inheriting people's enemies without even knowing anything that happened between them, you better be wise.
Yes.
Don't you know that somebody's enemy might be your own helper? Better don't be unfortunate this year. Enjoy your year.
Now your head correct.
Bye-bye.